I really want you to come up and talk about art. I don't know if you want to. Tour photography. You don't walk in the office and fill out an application, okay? You almost fall into it. It's based around who you are, who've recommended you, your work, and your work ethic. Tour photography is based off relationships. That's how the music industry works. Every job that I've gotten was because somebody said they hired Shannon McCollum, they seen Shannon McCollum's work. People watch how you work. And also, letting your character speak for itself. Let them see that. Let them see that. One of my favorite people in this industry is a younger guy named Ari. Ari goes by AMD. Ari moved down here from Miami, didn't know anybody, came over here to Cam Kirk Studios when he was over down there by Magic City, okay? Started interning. Again, be okay with shooting some free shit, because what did I say free shit do? It builds your portfolio. Ari was over here interning. My son had another photographer. The dude liked Ari and said, hey man, I got to shoot with this particular artist. Why don't you come shoot some behind the scenes stuff for me? My son got to see the opportunity to way this guy works and saw his character and saw how he moved and saw him first. I really want you to come up and talk about art. I don't know if you want to. They didn't even know you was back there.
What happened was, Ari was shooting behind the scenes. The thing about Ari that was the craziest thing, like my father said, was that his turnaround time is absolutely insane. It's actually not 12 hours, it's like 5. Wow. The way he separated himself was his return. A lot of times, creatives ask me, rappers, anything, they always ask, how do I make it? If I wanted to get on, what's some advice you could give me? And the most important thing that I could say, photographer, videographer, whatever you do, what makes you different?
Yo, this is Shannon McCollum. I just finished my night school class tonight. It was super dope. April 28th is the next one. Pull up, April 28th.